Okay, so in this video, we're going to start on the topic of inductive inferences. Inductive inferences. Inductive inferences are a type of inductive argument, but they're a special type. And so that's what we're going to learn about. Let's start by talking about just a regular old inductive argument, the sort that we've already been talking about. So premise 1, most dogs are friendly. Premise 2, Fido is a dog. Conclude, Fido is friendly. Okay, and we might add a probably in here too. Now, one question is, how does someone come to know premise 1, that most dogs are friendly? That's what inductive inferences are about. Okay, so normally the way it happens is you grow up and you've seen a lot of dogs. Some are friendly, you meet a few angry ones, but you notice that in your experience, most, over 50% of the dogs have been friendly. And inductive inferences are how we come to know a premise, like a proposition like premise 1 is true. And so here we can look into an example from the book. So in the reading, page 122, this one's not about dogs, it's about goldfish. So they have someone saying, page 122, so far, every one of several pet goldfish I've had has died when I fed it cat food. Therefore, if I feed my new pet goldfish cat food, it will die. Okay, so how is this person reasoning? Well, they're reasoning from their experience, right? They had all these other goldfish, they fed them cat food, and they died. And then they reason from their experiences to things beyond their experience. The new goldfish that I'm going to get, or other goldfish, if I were to feed them catfish, would die. And so on page 123, they give an example of how that might look if we put it into standard form. So premise 1, this is from page 123. Premise 1 might be every pet goldfish I've observed has died when fed cat food. And now what did they conclude? Probably my new pet goldfish will die if I feed it cat food. Okay, so the important point here is going from this premise, which has this observed, to my new pet goldfish, which is something unobserved. And this is kind of stunning, because some people will say they'll only believe things that they can see, smell, taste, touch, or hear. Okay? But what's going on here is you're reasoning beyond what you can see, smell, taste, touch, or hear. You're going from the observed to making conclusions about the unobserved, what you have not yet seen. And that's what inductive inferences are about. Okay, now we'll get more into this topic in the next video.